Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the file in the Word desktop app so you see the compatibility indicator. Once open, glance at the title bar. Compatibility mode tells you the document uses older file features. Make a backup using Save as right away. You want a fallback if formatting shifts. Next, check review and layout for any visible layout issues so you know what to watch after conversion. This quick inspection saves time and avoids surprises later. You now convert the file. Go to File, then Info, and choose Convert to upgrade the format. This updates the internal structure to current Word. If Convert is missing, use Save As and pick DocX, which modernizes features. After conversion, immediately inspect track changes, headers, footers, and page breaks because those areas often shift. Also, make sure styles and numbering still behave. If not, revert to your backup and troubleshoot individually. Converting preserves most content while enabling modern features. Finish by running the compatibility checker so you catch any remaining legacy features. Go to File, Info, check for issues, then check compatibility. Once done, fix style, spacing, or image layout issues manually. Use paragraph and style tools to restore consistent appearance. Finally, save the updated DocX and use Print Preview to confirm pagination. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup and compare side by side to isolate the problematic element before trying conversion again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.